Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make sweet corn fritters or sweet corn vadai. Very delicious and an easy snack recipe. Perfect for a tea time snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Add 1.5 cups of boiled sweet corn to a mixer jar. To this add 5 dried red chillies, half teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Grind this to a coarse paste. Transfer this to a mixing bowl. To this add 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, a tablespoon of rice flour, 1 onion very finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped and half teaspoon of salt. Give all the ingredients a very good mix. Now it's all very nicely mixed, so pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then give it a slight press like this. Shape the edges and keep it ready. Likewise make all the vadas. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the fritters one by one. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 more minutes. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious sweet corn fritters are ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick. Melt and keep ready a teaspoon of unsalted butter. You can either keep it in room temperature for 2 hours or microwave it for 10 seconds. To this add 4 tablespoons of boiled sweet corn kernels. I already made a video on how to boil sweet corn and how to remove the corn kernels. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt in case you added salted butter. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Finally add few drops of lemon juice and mix it really well. Sweet corn has high fiber content and it aids to digestion. It can decrease the risk of heart disease, strokes, type 2 diabetics and bowel cancer. Now our butter pepper sweet corn is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. A very healthy and easy snack for kids, so do try this butter pepper sweet corn recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.